Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. The Chinese New Year holiday is around the corner, and I just wanted to take a moment to look back on this past year. What a January it's been, and thanks for all of you for supporting. Let's do a quick recap of the lithium-ion battery videos that I bought you guys this year. We did USD 1,200 USD for the DIY 16 kWh battery pack by the EV MB3 one. Compared the sodium-ion battery with the lithium-ion battery. Tested the EV 628 Ah with the CATL 530 Ah. And even fixed the JK-BMS problem together. Also, we upgraded the Nissan Leaf car battery from 24 kWh to 50 kWh and only cost 2,000 USD. Yes, so many practical hands-on battery projects I hope helped you along the way. This year, I hit a huge milestone for me, and especially for this YouTube channel, that is 8,000 subscribers. I still can't believe it. Thank you so much for all of you and being here. Along with the subscribers, I got countless comments from all of you, words of supporting, encouragement, and even some different opinions. And I have been constantly reflecting how can I bring more meaningful, valuable content about lithium-ion batteries. You are the biggest motivation to keep me upgrading. Every like, every watch, every comment, whatever the positive or constructive pushes me to do better video for you guys. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for your love and support this year. Now I want to hear from you. What's lithium-ion battery content do you want to see next? Drop a comment below and I will do my best to create objective, fair videos for you guys' reference. For those who know me well, and I wear two hats. That is, I work in StarMax Energy to sell the lithium-ion battery, and also I'm a mom. With the Chinese New Year holiday coming up, I'm going to slow down my update frequency to spend quality time with my kids and family. It's time for me to recharge, just like our capacity testing machine. Last video I show you guys that the machine is going to have the CNY holiday. So I'm asking for a short leave from all of you. Don't worry, I will be back soon with a fresh mindset and more great battery content. And see you soon. And as always, if you have any lithium-ion battery requirement and needs, feel free to visit our website or our Alibaba shop. We are here to provide you with a quote and professional support. And Happy New Year for all of you and your family. Thank you again for everything. And I will see you soon after the holiday. This is Anya. Bye-bye.